Hey, what's up, everyone? Pierre speaking. Doing another update on ADTR's second version of their hydraulic kit. Still running the first version in my car, and I can tell there's a whole difference between the two generations. So this is the first gen, short pedal, and yeah, you gotta put a good amount of pressure, and you gotta go all the way to the floor here, which is pretty awkward. I will admit, as far as the design, it works, but it's not what you want, and it is stiff. I mean, better than what I had before with the cable, but keep in mind I'm also running a McLeod twin disc clutch kit, so it is smoother than the single one on the other car. So here, 3650 transmission, Valeo stock clutch, latest version of ADTRs. Look at that. One finger, it stops right there, no awkward position. Very, very smooth, very smooth. Friction point is spot on. It's great. It's really great. Now, I know I've been talking about that for like months, literally, but the R&D that's been put into that is a lengthy process. Hopefully, we'll get back to you in the upcoming weeks. As usual, before we go in production, we wanted to test on as many vehicle as possible with different combination of clutch, pressure plate, transmission, see what works, what doesn't work, having feedback from customer, and we gathered a lot of stuff. We improved things, and honestly, I think this is my latest project here. Just finished this manual swap, and it's spot on. I mean, I've seen every single variation of those pedals. I've made hundreds of them, and this is by far the very best one that I've installed here. Very smooth, very smooth. Friction point is very easy to find. It's not low, it's right in the middle. Obviously, this all goes to the adjustment you're going to be making, but yeah, so here it is. Hope you guys will like it, and as usual, well, talk to you soon.